Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hamza Afzal and I'm from Pakistan, from city Lahore. Today I will teach you how to grow the lemon tree from your house. So I found the best species of lemon today and I brought them. And so now I take their seeds carefully so you can see the seeds of them. So I clean them with the water and also for 45 minutes dip into the normal water. Today is 19 November 2019, so I make this video and now you can see all the seeds. The pulp of the lemon is also exist. Even washing them clean, I wash them gently because I don't want to damage these seeds. So I am now these seeds and peel off. After that, now I will dry these seeds with the paper towel. You can see the behind here the one seed I dried it. So wait for it, and the next step I will show you how to peel. First I should have to dry them all. Okay friends, so I dry them all and now I will teach you how to peel off gently. Please peel off with hands and nails. So do not use any kind of scissor or the knife. You can see the tip. This is the tip of the seeds. You should have to try the peel from them. Wait, because my nails are not so much sharp, so that's why it's hard to peel for me. Same, you can see peel off the side of the seeds and you remember one thing, friends, do not use knife or scissor for the peeling of any kind of seed. And remember one trick again, always peel them from the seeds from the tip of the uh, seeds. You can see I'm removing the seed from now bottom. Before, when I was taught the peel off from the tip, you can see there it is the front tip. You can see I use my nail here like this in middle of the tip, and it will be peel off easily from other parts when you start it for peeling off. You can see the main thing is, do not forget this when you make the bag of the when you wrap them all. So put the seeds in the dark and warm area. Do not put them citric acid seeds in the fridge, because they are not rise in the fridge. They need heat and darkness in environment. So remember that one thing for all. So okay, now I am wrapping them all after peeling off them into the bag and tissue paper. So you can see in the next step, friends, you can see after peel off the all seeds, I put them into the on the tissue paper, and you can see the bright one of the green. I wash it from the hot water to for as an experiment what happened next if we wash with the hot water and it is grow early, or what is the effect put on the seeds. So that's why I experiment on this seed. what is react there. Now remember one thing, all kind of citric acid things like grapefruit, oranges and other kind of seeds you can grow with this process and tissue paper method, with tissue paper method. But you don't need this method on citric acid thing for the refrigerator or any other kind of the cold process experiment method you need. Just put them first you take the seeds, put them in the water for the normal water, no need to hydrogen water or any kind of water, uh, only normal water you can use for it. So I was trying to tell you the basically thing. Now I peel off the seeds and you can see this one is different because I told you it was clean by hot water and these all clean by with the normal water. Now I am just wrap them like that on the tissue paper, so you can see the please do not them much water the tissue paper, only where you need the water, the water in the tissue paper. Now you can see I'm not over watering them, it's all is in the hair and not water is not dropping like over watering, because if you over watering them these seeds are will be collapse and you not get result what you want. You can see the border of the tissue paper is not so much wet, so it was dry, so that's why I put on the water, give them much. So my English is not fluent, many can words and sentences can be wrong, but I try to teach you method how I was grow. And last year I was grow with same process, but I wasn't make any video and I was get result, but the weather was so harsh and so that's why my baby plants are destroyed. So now I am trying to this process in the November, and you can see after that giving the watering the tissue paper and the method, you can put them like this through the air of the shopping bag in like this. And now you can see, remember one thing, when you take the bag you have it has to be not hole in the bag. You can see the air pressure must be contained in this equally. You can see the area how I was put the air level, and you can see there is no hole in the shopping bag, so then it will grow and spout after 7 to 10 days. Otherwise it won't be sprout and tissue paper get dry so early. So we have to understand the method properly of this process. So thank you. Inshallah when it will grow I will show you after 7 to 10 days the real experiment how it is work or not. Okay, Allah Hafiz, see you soon. Assalamualaikum guys, today I'm so much happy because my two seeds are germinate of lemon seeds, you can see, but I moisture few moisture on the tissue paper again because I want to 3 more my seeds to maybe there are 4 seeds left for germination, so that's why I am not make them out. So the experiment is successful.